In this video, we're going to be talking about how to deposit checks via the First Citizens application. So let's just get straight into the video. First thing first, if you haven't already downloaded and installed the First Citizen Bank application and then log in into your account. Now open the First Citizens mobile bank application and sign in into your account. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the deposit check button that you can see on the screen. Now enter the exact check amount, then select the checking account where you want the money to be deposited, and then sign the back of the check. Below your signature, add for mobile deposit only to First Citizens Bank, and then place the check on a dark flat surface in a well-lit area. Use the app's camera to take clear pictures of the front and the back, and then verify all the deposit information on the screen and tap on submit. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.